Welcome to our channel. If you want to unsubscribe from Spotify Premium, follow these step-by-step instructions to cancel your subscription properly. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to spotify.com. Log into your Spotify account using your email address and password. Step 2. Click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the page, then select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. On the Account Overview page, scroll down to find the Subscription section where you can view your current premium plan details. Step 4. Look for the Change Plan or Manage Plan button and click on it to access your subscription options. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Cancel Premium or Cancel Subscription. Click this button to begin the cancellation process. Step 6. Spotify may ask you to provide a reason for cancelling. Select an option from the list or skip this step if it's optional. Step 7. Review the cancellation details, including the date when your premium benefits will end. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. Step 8. Confirm the cancellation by clicking the final Cancel Premium button. You'll receive an email confirmation from Spotify verifying your cancellation request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.